friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. So the nerd in me, the math nerd, is going crazy for this clearance event that will be taking place May 10th, 11th, and 12th. So we are still 8 days away. However, I want you to load the following digital coupons because I think after this weekend they might disappear. So you go into your Dollar General app and load the following digitals, and we're going to go through all this. We have a $4 for the Always, a $4 for the Colgate, a $7 off for the Airwick, and a $2 off for the Irish Spring. I am not shopping this weekend for the 5 off 25 because I need all these digital coupons for the clearance event. That's where I'm going to get my freebies rocking and rolling. We still have a couple more to load that include the $2 off for the soft soap and the $2.30 off for the FREEBIES car care. It's that little clip that they have. And the final digital coupon that you're going to load is a $2.30 off of the FREEBIES fabric spray. So those 7 coupons, they are still valid the weekend of the 10th, 11th, 12th. I double checked the dates. So load them because we already have deals going. Can you see how exciting this is? I was at many stores because I was penny shopping earlier this week. Lots of them have tables set up, and a lot of our products that are going to be free are actually on the tables. So, scout your store, load these coupons, and hang on to them till the week of the 10th, 11th, and 12th. Now, you are going to be looking for a non-updated store that has a keypad, one receipt with all the information. That is called a non-updated store. Sorry, I don't have a picture, but like a keypad like this, just pretend you're in the 80s. This is the register you're looking for. Just when you walk in the store, look at how the cashier is typing it in. If this keypad is there, it's rock and roll time for the overage. If not, at the new updated stores, it's just going to be freebies. The newer store, this is a photo, so it's basically a touch screen. There is no more pad that the cashiers have at the register where they type stuff in. So this is a updated store, so you can tell the difference. Okay, so we have a 5-pack of these Airwicks. So right on Friday the 10th, it's $9 right now. It's going to drop down to $4.50. So that's the beauty of the clearance event. The $7 digital at a non-updated store, it's going to make it a free item and $2.50 moneymaker. A lot of people reporting they're having issues with the $7 coupon where they need the manager to do a turnkey because it's such a valuable coupon. We'll have to wait and see, but I truly believe at a non-updated store, it should work perfectly. Remember, if you're at the newer stores, this item might give you a bit of trouble because it's such a valuable coupon. If the coupon does not come off and you have to pay $4.50, I would just void it. But still, if you have a non-updated store, this is $2.50 of overage. You pretty much can buy half the store with that. We also have these Always boutique pads. They'll be $2.92 starting on May the 10th, subtracting that $4 digital. It's either a freebie at an updated store or free and a $1.07 moneymaker at a non-updated store. So be on the lookout for those non-updated stores with some inventory. We also have this Colgate. It's going to be $3.07 starting on May the 10th, subtracting a $4 digital coupon. Free or free and a 92-cent moneymaker. So you guys can see, I'm load the coupons because the coupons might not be there after Saturday. Typically, when the new coupons roll out on Sunday morning, they sometimes pull some of these coupons. Soft soap will be $2.05, subtracting a $2 digital coupon, 5 cents. But with the other items, it'll definitely pick up that 5 cents. So I think this is the only item that, it'll break the old bank. Irish Spring, it's going to be $2, subtracting your $2 coupon, a really great little freebie. And I'm pretty excited about that. This is one item. They don't have the liquid Irish Spring anymore at my Walgreens, so that is interesting. Okay, now to the FREEBIES. We have this little car clip, the Old Spice one. It's been in the clearance section now at every store I visited, so it'd be $2.02, subtracting a $2.30 digital, free and a 27-cent moneymaker at a non-updated store. Updated store, just a free item. And we also have this fabric spray. It's going to be $2.25, subtracting your $2.30 digital, a freebie or a free and a 5-cent money maker. So I know it's confusing, the whole updated, non-updated, but just to be transparent, that's why we got so confusing with it. So definitely rewatch the video if you're still confused. And also for those of you that had been doing getting digital coupons and the cashback, not happening anymore. They changed that. So definitely plan out how you're going to get to your Dollar General. Is this worth your time and gas? If you live in a very rural area where there's Dollar Generals every 20 miles or whatever, it is worth your time, especially if they have all the inventory. I would load these 7 digital coupons because starting next week, it's going to be rock and roll time. I'm also going to have a video for you guys with even more clearance merchandise because every store I'm going to is stacked with paper, detergent, food, you name it, they have it, and pairing it with digital coupons starting on Sunday. More digital coupons. It's going to be a great clearance event. So those 7, load them, and we will talk again next week about this clearance event. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.